Kia ora, and welcome to this video lesson. We're talking about question 74 from our New Lake book, where we are finding the length of side marked X using the sine rule. So here is our original patai. We know we can use the sine rule for side length because I know an angle and the length of the side opposite that angle. I've also been given the angle 55, so I can find the length of the side marked X using our sine rule, which is the length of side A divided by the sine of angle A is equal to the length of side B divided by the sine of angle B. Now we substitute in our figures from the original patai, and that gives us X over the sine of 55 is 6.0 over the sine of 46 degrees. Now the object is we want to get that X all by itself. But the X is currently being divided by the sine of 55. How do you undo division? That's right. So this 6.0 is simply going to be times by that sine of 55. Now the X is all by itself. So into the calculator, 6.0 times sine of 55 equals that answer divided by the sine of 46. We get X is 6.83 centimeters rounded to 2 decimal places. Please make sure don't do any rounding till the final step. Otherwise, you might lose a little bit of accuracy. All right? Send any patai my way. Thanks for watching. Mauri mahi, mauri ora, ka kite ano.